Hi family and welcome to my channel. Let's get started. To make a posentia decorative light, draw a circle a bit larger than the tea light itself. Cut the head of 2 spoons for the leaves and 12 spoons for the petals. Glue the petals onto the cardboard circle. Glue on the beads. Then glue on the leaves. Finally, place a candle in the middle. To make a decorative bow tie string, paint bow tie pasta in different colors. And glue them onto a string. To make a mini stress relieving tree, connect several pipe cleaners together. Shape them by using a cone-shaped object. Then, decorate. You can use this as a mini gift for your friends or a mini stress relieving tool. To make a mini spoon tree, make a cone out of cardboard. Cut the head of several plastic spoons. Glue on several of the handles on top of the tree. Then, glue on the heads of the spoons all around. And decorate by using marbles or beads. A chain of beads. And at the top, a star or a bow. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos from my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!